Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where your friend code is located on your Nintendo Switch so you can provide this to a friend so they can add you. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the upper left side of the screen and go to our specific page. So mine is Timbo's page right here, and it's the Donkey Kong symbol. So let's select this. Then we want to scroll up to where it says either add friend or to profile. Profile is probably the most apparent one. But if you look just under where it says offline, it's going to say friend code. And we need to provide them this specific code. Now you don't need SW in there, you just need the number. So mine is 561209484302. Provide that to a friend, and then they can go to this section where it says add friend. And then they can go to search with friend code. And you can see my friend code is listed on the screen right here as well. But they can go to this section and then type it in. So you just need the 12 digits that follow SW, and you should be good to go. Then, when they add you, you need to go to friend request on the top here, and then go to accept. So this is going to take about 10 to 15 seconds to load, and then you got to go to their name, and then select accept on it. So this is going to take even longer to load here, and then go to become friends. And it says please wait, and you should now see them on your friends list on your Nintendo Switch. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.